Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming permissions and retrieving a bot token. This is essential so the bot can manage roles. Once done, pick a bot service or create your own in the developer portal, then invite it with bot and applications. Command scopes. Make sure the invited permissions include manage roles. Next, open the bot's dashboard or your code editor so you can configure an auto role rule immediately. Don't skip the permissions check because role hierarchy matters. Now you configure the auto role trigger itself. If using a dashboard, select the server, pick the trigger type, member join, reaction, or verification, and choose the role to apply. If coding, listen for the guild member add or reaction events and call member. Roles. Add role ID. Make sure the bot's highest role sits above the role you'll assign, and test in a private channel once configured. Also, limit auto assignments to trusted roles to prevent permission escalation. Finish by running thorough tests. Invite a test account or ask a collaborator to join and trigger the rule. Verify the role was applied and inspect audit logs for role assignment entries. Once confirmed, enable any optional messages or welcome embeds. If something goes wrong, the most common fix is adjusting bot role position in server settings. Ensure the bot's role is above the target role and re-invite with correct scopes. Rerun the test until
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.